Come test drive the 2023 Pilot. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, black door handles, inside you'll find smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, optimal utility, indulgent interior, powerful performer. You'll be ready for almost anything in the Honda Pilot. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.